In a world tethered to tradition, Omar Khayyam's audacious skepticism surges like a torrent, challenging the orthodoxy of his time. As the haunting beauty of Claude Monet's watercolor strokes unveil, we witness Khayyam, the venerable sage with flowing white beard and long hair, standing at the precipice of blind faith. With a resolute spirit, he casts away the shackles of dogma into the abyss, igniting a blaze of enlightenment that ripples through the medieval crowd to the modern souls. The awe-stricken faces bear witness to a rebellion of thought, as Khayyam's verse echoes through the annals of time, resonating with the unyielding quest for truth. Witness the poetic defiance, a dance of intellect and conviction, as Khayyam's legacy unfolds in a cascade of Monet-inspired hues. Till when should I keep repeating useless? I am tired of those empty-headed idol worshippers. Khayyam, who said there would be hell? Who saw or returned from hell and heaven? In this quatrain, Omar Khayyam expresses his skepticism towards traditional religious doctrines, particularly the concepts of heaven and hell. He portrays a sense of weariness towards blind faith and idol worship, urging for a more discerning approach to spiritual matters. Khayyam challenges the fear-driven narratives of hell, questioning the authenticity of such claims as there's no empirical evidence from anyone who has witnessed or returned from these realms. Through this, Khayyam invites individuals to question and seek understanding rather than adhering to unfounded beliefs.